my friend Candice. A cute little gift from a mama who loves your friendship. This is so nice. Oh my God, when I was little, I used to love precious moments. Like, sí, no tengo camarógrafo, no tengo ayuda, hijos. Oh my God, this is so cute. It's like a little porcelain. I have to be so careful with this. Oh, this is so cute. I have to find somewhere. I'm gonna put it up there. Look.
What are you doing?
They're friends, like me and Candice.
Is that you?
Yeah, that's me and Candice.
Is that you?
He's like, no. He's like, no se parece. Hey, Sander, what did you just say?
It's just an appointment.
With who?
With Candace.
You have a what?
I need an appointment like Daddy.
You have an appointment like Daddy with who?
With Candace.
With Candice, and what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna talk to her.
Uh-oh. Ding, ding, ding. Uh-oh. Y'all, JC just bought me my Mother's Day present, which was something that I had wanted for so long. Everybody that knows me knows that I'm always saying that I want an espresso because it has a little foam and everything. So I'm not really sure how this works or if it brings any at all. So I got some of these, but I'm just going to end up ordering some of the Nespresso pods, probably from the website because I really don't know where to get them. But I am so excited. OMG. I'm gonna see when I do it because I feel like I have to watch a video or something, but I'm very excited. Okay. Lo que yo no sé es dónde yo voy a poner eso because don't mind that mess right there. I have to do those dishes and we just came from Chipotle and Panera Bread. I don't have space for this, so I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but let's proceed. Complimentary pads. I have to watch a lot of videos about this because I'm such a novice. It's not even funny. So it's already plugged in. You just have to press this, if I'm not mistaken. And then I press it, and then the pod that was here just went back there. I don't know where. Oh, okay. So it goes back there, and then you can. This is like a little trash can. All right, because I was wondering. And we have some water here in the back bottle thing. So pretty much, right, let me put my cup. I have to get some cute cups now because we're on another level, honey. We gotta get some cute aesthetic-y cups. Anyways, so I'm going to put the Starbucks one, the pod here. And then I think all I have to do is press this. Yeah. Ooh, and it pitched it. I don't know if you heard that. And then since it's green, I'm going to press the coffee button. And okay. And the smell of the coffee is like so good. Like you can definitely smell the coffee. Okay, so I literally put 1 teaspoon of coffee. Yo, this is a lot of coffee. Y la leche entonces. Let's see. You see all this foam? Okay. This is too strong. I think I'm gonna make it into an iced coffee because it's that strong. Oh, good job. All right, so I poured some out here. I'll just leave that for JC so he can have it as an iced coffee. I'm going to add half and half to mine, and I'm going to see if that fixes it because, yo, this is the type of coffee that will have you wired. Bueno, vamos a ver. Pero está chulo. Mira qué linda. Ay, Dios mío. I think it's better now. I'm still going to put some vanilla, but see, it's better now. I just feel like that makes enough coffee for like 4 people. I still have these from Nespresso to try. But, you know, I'm just a little kid in a candy store. Starbucks one, I'm going to leave it for when I'm making coffee for JC and I because it makes enough for 2 people because we don't like it that strong. And then we add the vanilla syrup. Oh, it tastes like ice cream. Like, it's so good. So, I like it. But I won't drink one whole pot by myself. So, I booked my first ever lash appointment. And I'm so nervous because I've never done that. And I'm a little like I'm not claustrophobic, but the thought of having that, you know how they put the paper, they put like a paper here and then they put a paper here. Like, I don't know how they do it, but they put 2 papers like crossed and then they go like between every lash to just the thought of it makes me like cringe a little bit. And then usually they take about an hour-ish. So
casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me?
So I came out of my lash appointment and I think they were a little long, but I'm not mad at them. How do you think, babe?
Yeah.
How do you think?
I like them.
I think Hankara doesn't really like them.
It is what it is.
You don't like them?
I like them, but I know you're gonna wear makeup, so don't even record that.
But you don't like them.
Huh?
You think they look a little too much?
I think yours were fine. But if you like them,
I like them.
I love them.
I like it. Because también ellas se van a caer, se comienzan a caer, pal.
Oh, sí. ¿La tuya o la que te pusieron?
La que me pusieron.
Think about it.
No, la mía no.
Yeah.
Like, imagine me with like super clear skin. Me se deja pintar. No, mami.
I feel like you're getting to that age. How you worry about everything. Because you're so beautiful, baby. I don't know why you're so like into all that stuff now.
Thank you, but no, tú sabes que you tweaky here and there. Eso que yo le empecé a ver Botox porque cuando so I'm making a little espresso order because clearly Nespresso is the star of this vlog. These 2 were my favorite, the Bianco Doppio and the Voltesso. I did like the Melasio as well. I like these 2 because they're not that big. So, like, you know, you can do it for yourself. But then if I do like one of the bigger pots, I can just do it for me and somebody else because it's a little much. I also like this one. I had the decaffeinated one, but, you know, obviously I want my caffeine. So I like that one, and I really like the Costa Rica. So these were my favorite. Así que vamos a ordenar. Yo no sé con qué cuarto que yo voy a ordenar esto porque estamos broke. Pero se buscan, señores, se buscan. Happy Mother's Day! Yay! To all the mommies.
Happy Mother's Day.
And the daddies that do the mommy jobs.
And we found a big
JC, yeah. JC is honoring the mothers in this family, and he is going to be the grill master, right, JC?
Yes, I am.
The girl master.
The grill master, and we got a cake. I'm gonna put the picture there because it's in the fridge now. Oh, little Zini. Hi, Zini. Happy Mother's Day, sissy. JC is on the grill. Hey, be careful.
I want to make YouTube
Here are the kids. There is Liz looking fabulous as always.
Be
Careful.
Don't spike.
Yeah, Papi, you gotta be careful because you can get a scratch like before, remember? Saluda a la cámara.
I'm getting out.
Hello, Miss Fabulous. You want no smoke? Hey, 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 hey. What? Whoa, hey, 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 hey. Tear it up. Tear it up. Tear it up. Hey. Where's Nate? Hey guys, so I realized I never really closed my vlogs. I didn't want to stop doing them. So I just want to say thank you for watching, and for those who've seen the last few videos, thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me, and if you've hit the like button, it means a lot to me because you know I'm starting this journey again, and it's a little nerve-wracking, and you know you're putting yourself out there. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm trying to do these vlogs on a weekly basis. And Zane is entering his, I don't want to say terrible twos, but his terrific twos. So pray for me. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much for watching. For all the mommies, happy Mother's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. And for those who have lost a mom, my heart goes out to you. And for those mommies who have babies in heaven, happy Mother's Day to you too. You are not forgotten.